Imagine you can edit your video well that will make your viewers not to stop watching your videos to the end. Knowing how to edit video is one thing you have to know. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you or take you along with me on how to edit your YouTube video like a pro. Because this is one of the reasons why you are called a YouTuber. And this is one of the reasons why people will go back to your channel to search for your video to watch. Because when your videos are studied in editing, trust me, people are coming to you to watch it. You can use the one you prefer, but I use Video Guru and CapCut. In case you are looking for free application to use for your editing, you can check my description. I've made video about it already. Alright, let's go straight into the video. I will be showing you how to edit it on CapCut. You click on your CapCut, then you click on the new project. After that, it will take you straight to where your videos are. You click on the video you have to edit. After clicking on the video you're about to edit, you should have it this way. Now, we are going to understand the edit audio text we are seeing down here. You click on the edit. Under edit, you will see split, speed, animation, effect, delete, and so on. These edits make you to cut and join. This is what many YouTubers are doing. They will just cut and join and upload the video. You are doing it wrongly. That is why you're not having a lot of views on your video. About the audio, when you click on it, you see something like sound and record. When you click on the record, this allow you to do voiceover as I'm doing it right now. Then when you go back, you see text, you see stickers. Under stickers, you can see templates where you have to put on your subscribe up there. Then when you go back, you see something called overlay. Overlay lets you react on video, or when you're about to put image like this. You can see that I had a video just to give you guys an example. Now let's get into the editing. The first step in editing is called split, cut, or trim. Right now, I'm about to cut out some mistake in this video. When you swipe this video, you see that I've just started talking here. Then I'll tap on it, I'll split it, then I'll put it in delete. Alright, after putting your video on delete, make sure you play it for you to know you didn't did any mistake, like you haven't cut out the good video. You don't need to go and get a lot of light before you can edit your video like a pro. Follow these steps. Alright, this is where you have to work on. You click on the adjust, then you are going to go on and click on your brightness. In this brightness, it depends on how brightening your video is already. If it's not that bright, you have to make sure that you drag that line to the length you really want. So I put this in 4. This is contrast. I put this contrast in 5. You have to swipe it front and back for you to know what you really want. This is saturation. If you are light in skin, I'll suggest you should not touch this saturation, because saturation change your skin color, as you can see in this video. That is why I suggest to you that you should swipe it front and back before you try to use the saturation. So I put it on, so I went back to put it in 5. Now let's go to brilliance. I'll make sure that I put it in 3. Make sure you swipe it front and back. I have to make sure that I put it in 3. Now this is sharpen. You have to make sure that you sharpen your video well, not too much. You can see that I swipe it to the end, then I come back and I put it in 21. About this HSL, it changes your color. Like if you want to change the color of your clothes, this is good for you, but I don't need that. I love my color clothes. So I'll go on. This is graphs. I don't need that. I don't need the graph at all. Then go to highlights. You can just make sure that you swipe it front and back, just for you to know how you have to put on the light of your video. About the shadow, you don't need the shadow. Everything is okay. So this is temperature. If you really want to change all the colors of everything, you can change it to this color like brightness, but I don't want it to change my video quality. So I just put it in -10, and this is the outcome. Then you should go on and download it. Now let's see the result. If you were to choose to watch the video, which one will you choose? Assuming you are the audience. I hope you know how to edit your video like a pro. No more cut, trim, and upload your video like that. Don't do that. YouTube is not on easy mode whereby you just cut and trim and just upload your video like that. No, you have to know a lot of things. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Stay well and stay tuned. Bye.